Hi everyone! Lately, I've been seeing a lot of athletes wearing a nasal strip right here sa ibabaw ng ilong nila. So, I've got curious, does this thing really work? Tara, try natin. So, I have got here some strip and I'm gonna put this on my nose for the first time to see if this really work. So, it's easy to apply and this is really safe kasi nga, ididikit mo lang and that's it. So, what does this product do? Basically, this product open up yung nasal passages. So, pag mas malaki syempre opening, mas maganda yung airflow. Which is advantage if you are an athlete. Kaya, anything that will help my performance to get better, I want it to try at least once. Para malaman natin what this hype is all about. Tanggalin lang natin yung sticker. Wow, yeah. It really works. Yeah. More opening, mas naramdaman ko na mas open up yung nasal ko. Wow. It works. Yeah. So, will this thing improve my performance? Siyempre, not yet sure, but I'm gonna try this for a couple of days. Stay tuned, and if you want to check this product, andyan yung link. Check nyo na lang para matry nyo rin on your own. That's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. Train safe, everyone.